In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a product in Stripe. If you need to clean up your product catalog without permanently deleting an item, archiving is a simple and useful option. It helps keep your active product list organized while still preserving the product's record for future reference. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can do it confidently and make sure the change has been applied correctly. To get started, log into your Stripe account. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for managing your account, payments, customers, and products. From that menu, click Product Catalog. This will take you to the area where all of your products are stored and managed. Once you're there, click All Products to open the full list of products currently available in your Stripe account. Now, find the product you want to archive and select it. Make sure you choose the correct item before moving forward, especially if you manage several similar products. Taking a moment here to confirm the product details can help prevent mistakes. After opening the product, look for the More menu, shown as 3 dots. Click that menu to reveal additional actions available for the product. From the list of options, click Archive Product. At this point, Stripe will usually display a confirmation message. Review this message carefully before continuing. This is an important step because it gives you a chance to verify that you're archiving the intended product and to understand the result of the action. In most cases, archiving removes the product from your active product list, but it does not erase its historical information. If everything looks correct, click Archive to confirm. Stripe will then process the change and update the product status. Once that's done, take a moment to verify the result. Check that the product is now marked as archived and no longer appears in your active product list. This final check is a good habit because it confirms the action was successful and helps ensure your catalog is organized the way you want it. And that's it. You've successfully archived a product in Stripe. This is a quick way to manage older or inactive products without deleting them entirely, which can be especially helpful for keeping accurate records while reducing clutter in your workspace. Thanks for watching.